Sunday, so I thought, why don't I just do something with my dogs today? So we're going to be giving them kind of an obstacle course. I just ran them out for a bit. That's what you saw in the beginning. So let's build this. They might not have a ton of energy, but we'll see how they get past this. See you then. Should be the simple part for them. Now all they need to do is get out. Whoever gets out first is crowned the winner. See you then. Come on, guys, come here. Sawyer won. It's just struck. Finn, you are second place. Now they're arguing. They're mad. Finn's mad that he lost. Oh, here we go. Fight, 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 fight. Oh man, they're getting all tangled up here. Oh man, dude, I spent so long building that up, just to have him like run through there. Well, all in all, that was very fun to play with them. It lasted 0.3 seconds. He ran out through there. So I hope you guys have a great Sunday. Enjoy your week. Have a great day. Bye.